Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Mercedes-AMG SL63 4MATIC Plus R232 from iScale models. This is a dealer edition model, so it comes in this Mercedes designer packaging. There's the roof here, and they've also included a glove. There's also a screwdriver inside, and I've already unscrewed the car, so let's check it out now. The car looks really beautiful in this Patagonia red color. The headlights are really well detailed, and you can see the light housings in it and the strip for the LED DRLs. The vents under the headlights have a piece finished in carbon fiber, and there's more of it on the front splitter. The Mercedes logo on the grille is finished in chrome, and the AMG logo is a decal, and the logo on top of the grille is a metal sticker. There is a button under the car to open the bonnet. The bonnet is a bit tight. The engine compartment is really well detailed, and the Mercedes logo on top of the engine cover is a metal sticker. There is the AMG logo, engine builder's plaque, and some carbon fiber bits on the engine cover. The insulation pad under the bonnet is painted. The wheels look really nice, and there is the carbon ceramic brakes and the yellow caliper behind the wheel. It can roll freely and are steerable and also have working suspension. The Mercedes logo in the center is a metal sticker, but this V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus logo on the front fender is a decal. The mirror caps and the side skirts on the rocker panels are finished in carbon fiber. The door handle also looks nice, and the rear wheel can roll freely and also has working suspension. Now moving on to the back, the diffuser is again finished in carbon fiber. The tail lamps and the reflectors look nice, and they are really well detailed. All the logos here are decals but still look good. You can see the third brake light as well, but the rear wing is not functional. There is a small panel gap between the boot lid and the bumper. The boot floor is flocked and it looks really nice. The boot latch is also really well detailed. And as with the real car, the boot extends far inside, but the actual usable space is limited. And this is the right side of the car. Now before I show you the interior, I'm going to show you the roof, which is very thick and also has a small window at the back. It slides easily into the cavities and fits perfectly without any panel gaps. The soft top suits the car well and gives it a coupe-ish look. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and the digital dash is very clear. The steering wheel is really well detailed and you can see all the buttons on it, and the Mercedes logo in the center is a metal sticker, and it is also steerable along with the front wheels. There is the big infotainment screen in the center, which has the navigation opened up, and it is very clear. So here are the seats, and the floor also has a flocked carpet. The AMG door sill panels and the aluminium finished pedals look really nice. The door card is also really well detailed, and you can see all the buttons and the speaker on it. The seat belts look nice and the buckle is photo etched. The rear seats look nice, but there is this wind deflector on top of it which feels a bit flimsy. You can see the speaker on the side of the rear seat as well. So here is the passenger side of the car, and you can see the flocked carpet more clearly from here. There is more carbon fiber on the center console. The AC vents are also really well detailed. There are chrome inserts in all the mirrors which reflect really well. You can see the sun visors and the reading lights on top of the windshield. The wipers look nice and there are the different sensors on top of the windshield. The undercarriage is well detailed and most of it is covered. The exhaust system is painted in silver. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.